Are you interested in a career in healthcare and seeking a great opportunity to gain hands-on medical experience and clinical exposure? Do you want to further enhance your application to medical school or healthcare program and stand out among the pool of applicants? Then stay tuned to watch this interview with Sheila Elliott to learn more about this very unique opportunity provided to UT Dallas students.
Hi, my name is Sheila Elliott, and I am the EMS Director for University Emergency Medical Response. This is the first responder organization on the campus of the University of Texas at Dallas. We're a very unique organization in that we run all the 911 calls on campus in partnership with our agreement with the university and also with the Richardson Fire Department. With our organization, we offer EMT classes where students of UTD and to the public, even some of the fire departments send their employees to us, where we teach EMT classes, which is the first certification that anyone would need in order to either work on an ambulance, or it's a great certification to get if you're interested in the medical field, if you're going to the PA route or medical, any kind of medical degree. EMT is a great certification to get as we send you to clinicals at the ER, in the emergency room, and also riding on the ambulance. So you learn how to do patient assessment and you learn how to treat different medical and trauma emergencies. We also have a partnership with the Methodist Hospitals that's called the North Texas Paramedic Education Consortium. And through that partnership, we are able to offer paramedic courses, which is the next certification after EMT. With that, you have 544 clinical hours that you provide in the ICU, in the emergency room, labor and delivery, the cath lab. You learn how to intubate in the OR. And so there's a lot of great opportunities for clinical experiences and patient interaction with that class as well. We are very blessed and appreciative of being able to serve the campus and the students at UT Dallas. It's a pleasure teaching the students here and having our 80-member first responder organization that serves the campus and runs all of the 911 calls on our campus. It's truly students serving other students. I think it's important to know that UEMR is a student-led organization. We have 80 first responders in our organization, and they are all volunteers, where they volunteer 3 hours a week to 24 hours a week, volunteering for shifts where they respond to medical calls on campus. And our student leadership is designed to build leadership qualities where they learn how to manage people and handle conflict and be able to work together. And it's just a great organization for those kinds of opportunities. And the fact that they're all volunteers makes it where they're just very passionate about the learning opportunities that they have. And it's a great organization. We hope that you'll want to be a part of it.